Rifilwe innovation, which means given. So our problem is we, according to research, we found that the crime rate of Kimberley is increasing yearly. So we developed a system which yes, that uses algorithm and that consists of AI, mathematics learning, machine learning and mathematics, and which has a built-in facial recognition system, in which, like, when a crime occurs or an incident occurs, it can detect the place, the time, and the perpetrator and the victim at the time. So we focused on our vulnerabilities. We found the solutions. Because of this, we have our vulnerabilities are sensitive data, which we focus on creating a strong password. And then we have the MITM, which is the middleman, which we develop a secure communication channel between the developed system and the other linked external system. And then we have the password. To avoid password attacks, we will include a strong password, which will include like characters, numbers, and we develop like a strong password. Yeah. So, and then we have the DDoS, which is the denial of okay. Basically, what that does is to build a network to handle like spikes of traffic. Yeah.
Okay. So with the system, as she has identified, that we will be having a system that uses an algorithm that consists of artificial intelligence and machine learning as well as mathematics. So with AI, we will be working, we would design the system in such a way that it would go through all the media files that have been there in the past, looking at what crime is, what we define crime as to be as human beings, and it would be able to think like a human being when it comes to the crime and the incidents that happened on the roads. So once it is able to pick up what is happening, it would have, if there's a crime happening around, as you can see here in the video, there's a blue round circle that is detecting or checking the person's unique identities. And with that, it will be able to identify or pick up who the person is, looking through the database that we have. As we would have most of our files coming from the Department of Home Affairs, they will be the ones providing us with a database that consists of the names and person's sensitive information. Okay, and then with in terms of accidents, if there is an incident that has happened somewhere, the system itself would be able to pick up that two cars have bumped each other, and then it would report and send the footage to the police as well as the hospital or the Department of Health. And that would help as in reducing crime, helping people to feel more safer on the roads, and people having to spend lesser time calling the hospital or anything like that. In closing, I would like to ask, why should we suffer if we have the solution?